Vocabulary building lesson 7.
Delusional, delusional, delusional.
Believing things that are not true, having false beliefs. Example sentences. He is delusional if he thinks he can fly. Some people are delusional about their abilities. She lived in a delusional world of success. Stewarding, stewarding, stewarding. Taking care of or managing something responsibly. Example sentences. He is stewarding the school project with care. Stewarding nature is our duty as humans. She was responsible for stewarding the event. Brooding, brooding, brooding. Thinking deeply about something that makes you sad, worried, or angry. Example sentences. He sat in the corner brooding over his mistakes. She became quiet and brooding after the argument. The sky looked dark and brooding before the storm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to get more vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.